come. Let's go, mga bata. Come. Later. Diyos me.
Maliit, kasi maliit.
Gutom na ba to? Ba't kayo tumuha nito? Ganun, no?
Kapagising lang yan dati.
Hi, baby! Come. Cheers. Talagang fans na fans si Tita Nene, ha? Happy birthday!
Sip-sip daw eh.
Sip-sip kami kay Nina, kay Gio, alam mo naman.
Oo.
Nina lang.
Pati train na ba?
Later na lang sir. You want ice cream?
Yummy mo? You enjoy it?
Nabimit kasi.
Dessert daw. Finish your ramen first, okay? Happy birthday, Nina. Happy birthday, Nina. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Nina. That's what you want for your birthday? Yeah, ramen? Yes.
I also want this for my birthday. Mommy, best day ever!
You like the ramen? Nina,
Mommy, can we come here? Best birthday ever!
first birthday ever?
Mama, every time it's lunch, can we come here and eat? Please, I'm begging you.
Thank you.
Nagustuhan niya.
Oo, yung pihika, nagustuhan niya. Ganun talaga sila, mahilig sila ng ganyan. Sabi ni Nemo, best day ever! Nina, ang sarap ng ramen, ang sarap ng ramen. Grabe si Nemo.
Pero gusto nila to, wala masyadong sis lang. Ay, laging binibisit ang shoes niya, baka mawala.
Go back. Come here.
Thank you so much. Chocolate. Chocolate for you. Thank you. Chocolate. Wow. Go. Happy?
Yes.
Happy. Happy birthday, Nina. Say thank you. Ayusin mo.